How to import wallet on Sparrow Wallet app. Hello and welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to import your wallet on Sparrow Wallet app, first of all, open up the Sparrow Wallet application on your device. Now once you get to this page, go ahead and click on the File button at the top left corner and click on Import Wallet. Now, select the method you want to use. Since I created a wallet with mnemonic words, I'm gonna do the same. Click the drop down right next to mnemonic words and select how many words that you've backed up. Now once making the selection, you'll be asked to enter the mnemonic phrases correctly in the text boxes. Carefully write down all the recovery words in the correct order from your backup. After writing it down, click on Discover Wallet. Finally, set a strong password to protect your wallet file. Re-enter the password once again in the next field and click on Set Password. Now, right after you do that, you'll be able to import your wallet. Make sure to always keep your seed phrases private and never share it with anyone. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.